Temperature and humidity measurement plays a vital role in our daily lives, industries, healthcare, agriculture, food safety, environmental monitoring, and scientific research. The science of accurate measurement of temperature and humidity is known as temperature and humidity metrology. From weather forecasting and pharmaceutical storage to semiconductor manufacturing and smart homes, reliable measurements ensure quality, safety, and efficiency. In this episode of Consumer Times, we explore the fundamentals of temperature and humidity metrology, its present applications, calibration techniques, traceability to national standards, challenges faced by industries, and the emerging future technologies including IoT-enabled sensors, artificial intelligence, digital calibration systems, and smart environmental monitoring networks. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to Consumer Times for more videos on consumer awareness, technology, economy, governance, and public interest issues. Join us to understand how accurate measurements contribute to consumer protection, quality assurance, and technological advancement. Hello and welcome to Consumer Times. I am your host Dr. Arun Kumar. As we all know that temperature and humidity are among the most frequently measured physical parameters in our environment. Their accurate measurement is essential for maintaining product quality, ensuring human comfort, supporting scientific research, and protecting consumer interests. The science of measuring these parameters with precision is known as temperature and humidity metrology. Metrology provides the foundation for consistency, reliability, and international comparability of measurements. Today, temperature measurements are carried out using a variety of instruments such as thermometers, thermocouples, resistance temperature detectors, RTDs, infrared sensors, and digital temperature monitoring systems. Humidity measurements are commonly performed using hygrometers, psychrometers, dew point meters, and electronic humidity sensors. These instruments are widely used in industries including pharmaceuticals, healthcare, food processing, cold chain logistics, agriculture, meteorology, electronics manufacturing, and environmental monitoring. One of the most important aspects of temperature and humidity metrology is calibration. Calibration ensures that measuring instruments provide accurate and traceable results by comparing them with reference standards maintained by national metrology institutes. Accurate calibration helps industries comply with regulatory requirements, improve product quality, reduce wastage, and enhance consumer confidence. In the pharmaceutical sector, temperature and humidity control are critical for maintaining the effectiveness of medicines and vaccines. In agriculture, these measurements help optimize crop production and storage conditions. In the electronics industry, controlled environmental conditions are necessary for manufacturing sensitive components. Similarly, museums, archives, and laboratories depend on accurate environmental monitoring to preserve valuable materials and conduct reliable research. The future of temperature and humidity metrology is being shaped by rapid technological advancements. Smart sensors connected through the Internet of Things, IoT, are enabling real-time monitoring and remote data access. Artificial intelligence and machine learning technologies are helping analyze environmental data and predict changes before they occur. Digital calibration certificates and automated calibration systems are improving efficiency, transparency, and traceability. Wireless sensor networks, cloud-based monitoring platforms, and miniature high-precision sensors are expected to become increasingly common in smart cities, smart factories, healthcare facilities, and agricultural systems. Future metrology systems will not only measure environmental parameters but also provide predictive insights, helping industries make better decisions and improve operational efficiency. As technology continues to evolve, temperature and humidity metrology will remain a cornerstone of quality infrastructure. Accurate measurements support innovation, international trade, consumer safety, environmental protection, and sustainable development. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to Consumer Times for more videos on consumer awareness, technology, economy, governance, and public interest issues. The future promises more precise, intelligent, and interconnected measurement systems that will benefit